Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we often talk about piracy. We often talk about, how people activate Windows. I see a lot of people activating Windows in all sorts of ways that are not legal. So technically, it's illegal to not purchase your license, and it's illegal to use a lot of the tools that are online that actually will activate Windows without you having to purchase anything. So there's an ex-Microsoft employee. He's an ex-Microsoft Windows senior software developer. And he worked with versions of Windows XP until Windows 10. And he's posting a series of posts on X that actually talks about the activation. And so he's talking about the different methods that you can use, from scripts within Windows on your PC to the KMS way of actually activating, which is basically KMS, which is the key management system. There are servers out there that can activate Windows. Actually, KMS, some regular users will, bypass that, will hack or will basically pirate Windows using that, which is a dangerous way of doing it because you never know if what you have is the proper KMS system or a malware, and that is the biggest problem. But anyways, notwithstanding, there are different ways that people use, which again, I want to mention, which are totally illegal. But here's what Vernaculus Nerdgasm says. Did you know you can activate Windows 11 using a third-party activation server on the internet, outlined with dozens of GitHub projects that Microsoft purposefully doesn't try to stop, because at the end of the day, they want you running Windows 11 because you are the product. And so he's kind of going on and saying, well, you know what? Microsoft doesn't care. And Microsoft doesn't care because there's ads in Windows 11, and that they're making money off of you anyways. So this is where Microsoft isn't really going after pretty much all the bad guys, because they're figuring out, well, I want you on Windows 11 anyways, and you are having ads, so we're getting paid. I guess it's also partly why Microsoft doesn't totally close the loopholes that have you running Windows 11 if you want. So they're not, closing the loophole that for TPM or for, the processor minimum requirements. Because in the end, they're happy. They've got a Windows 11 user. So I would guess this also means that unsupported hardware will probably be running Windows 11 for a while, even though they have closed some or made it more difficult for some loopholes. In general, it is super easy to run unsupported Windows 11. So all of that, I think, goes into a simple account that Microsoft doesn't care. They just want you on Windows 11, whether it's illegally with a piracy or whether it's somewhat legal and unsupported, or it's just like, use Windows 11, we're happy, you're there. And of course, they also know that there's a possibility of you becoming a good citizen that will pay for it at some point. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.